Okay, so y'all already know that I love testing new lawn gear, and the ECOVACS GOAT A3000 has had my attention from the jump. If the O1000 is the easy button for lawn care, the A3000 is like giving your yard your own personal grounds crew with GPS. And the best part, no wires, no digging, no crazy setup. Just unbox, map, and mow. And right here would be the perfect place to set up home base. This is a wire-free setup. Just walk it and go. Some robot mowers feel like a science project, not this one. The A3000 uses LELS Pro Dual Laser LiDAR to scan your yard in just a few minutes. Walk the perimeter once and it builds a 3D map. No wire laying required. You open the app, set your zones and schedule, and that's it. It knows where to go, when to mow, and what areas to avoid. Simple, smart, stress-free. The A3000 doesn't zigzag randomly or leave half of your yard untouched. It mows in clean straight lines, just like you would with a push mower, but better. And when it hits the edge, that's where true edge takes over. It hugs those borders and finishes with a tight trim that looks sharp every time. This mower isn't just smart, it's strong. Powered by a 32-volt energetic platform, the dual blade cutting disc handles up to 400 square meters per hour. That's a lot of lawn without breaking a sweat. You can set the cutting height anywhere from 1.2 to 3.5 inches, depending on how you like your grass. Short and sporty, cool. Thick and lush, also cool. The A3000 has AI/VI 3D vision, and trust me, it's paying attention. It spots stuff like toys, chairs, garden hoses, whatever's in the lawn, and just steers around it like a pro. No bumping, no dragging things across the yard. The A3000 has two speed settings, delicate and quick. Here it's set on quick so that you can see in real time the speed of the mower. It also climbs hills, hops over barriers up to 1.75 inches, and handles curves and edges like it's flexing on those traditional mowers. So let's talk the pros and cons. Pros: no wires, which is an instant stress relief. The navigation is smooth and super accurate. The app lets you customize everything. The edges look crisp and the cut is clean. It's quiet, but not lazy. All right, so on to the cons. This unit is geared towards medium to large lawns. The price tag reflects the tech, but it's worth it. And here we are, my final thoughts. If you want the mower that does the most without being the most, the A3000 is it. You get tech, power, precision, and peace of mind in one very slick robot. A big thanks to ECOVACS for letting me put this mower to the test. Now let's mow smarter and maybe chill a little while it does the hard part. You can tell this whole patch right here, it missed, so it's just going back to it to finish it up. And it does see the kids.